Here's the app called Icon Changer, aesthetic icons, widgets plus themes. So yeah, you can just tap get and double click to install it. Yeah, this is one of the apps where you can just really customize your iPhone really nicely using all these icons and widgets. Icon Changer frees you from the boring home screen by installing new theme kits, which will give your phone a new look. Its editor is loaded with different color combinations and ultimate icons, which will give you icon combination. So yeah, you can see almost 5,000 ratings. This app, yeah, to be honest, it's not the top app in this category. Uh, but yeah, here you can just see it. It's really nice to sometimes check out these more niche apps which are not in the top charts, because they can offer some nice deals sometimes and some really interesting designs. So you can see here, price per week is $3. Yearly it's $30, so pretty nice price. And then there is a 3-day free trial both on a weekly plan and a yearly plan. Pretty nice deal. And then here you can customize your quick launcher in the in Dynamic Island, which is quite interesting. Then you can try watch faces. Then you have also like all these different themes with different icons which you can explore. And then on the separate tabs there are widgets, there are interactive widgets, icon changers. Then there are wallpapers for iOS 17. You can just explore them, but unfortunately some of them are locked under Pro. And then standby mode, which is also a new feature from iOS 17. That's how you can customize it. And then there are icons. So yeah, that's the app.